Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar Swiss, I mean, we cannot deny that we are in a very strong downtrend on the daily time frame and up. And because of that, we cannot deny that this could easily keep on going down really at any time. So just be aware of your higher time frame trends as always. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, you would think that bullish would be the direction, and I would agree with you that it looks like a wave A. It looks like one down, one up, and potentially we're in another down for a wave B. Kind of seems like the wave B might not be over yet. Most wave C's of B do take out the low of wave A of wave B. So we might have a little bit more downside potential before we actually do go up and make a wave C. Now, I do think that based on the 1 hour time frame, this is the most likely scenario as it goes up to the 50 to 61.8. But like I started this video saying, the daily trend is down. What does that mean? That means that literally at any time it could just keep going down, and what I drew on the 1 hour time frame could totally be wrong, and it could just keep going down and down and down and down. Which is why I, as a swing trader, am definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. If you are a short time frame trader, you could still be trying to look for longs. Just remember, the higher time frame is definitely still down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.